All right, from here, you can go into your transactions and see all the transactions you've made and then change the category for it to reflect in here. But I'm just going to go to everything else because this is actually miscategorized. This is actually a donation. So that's fine. This happened on May 1st. And I'm going to change this category to gifts and donations. Let's have it. Let's just have it like that. Boom. This is recategorized, and I can go back into my budgets and it'll be reflected just like that. So each time you make a transaction, it'll show up here. And now I've done $25 out of the $400 budget that we just set up. And that is how it works. So we can even go into overview. You can pop in and see your budget and you can see where your transactions get updated at. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. These things actually work. So go ahead and set up your own budget and start categorizing your transactions to maximize everything that you're doing. All right. See you in the next one.